Latest research and development. 1. How the brain chooses what to remember and what to forget. Long-term memory emerges from a sequence of molecular programs that sort, stabilize, and reinforce important experiences. 2. Natural plant compound supercharges chemotherapy against leukemia. A promising natural compound may offer new hope for treating one of the most aggressive forms of leukemia. 3. Scientists identify first ever single gene that can directly cause mental illness. A rare genetic finding shows that GRIN2A mutations can directly trigger psychiatric illness. Early treatment insights point to new paths for intervention. 4. Scientists discover simple trick to make kale tastier and healthier. Researchers from the University of Missouri report that pairing kale with oil-based dressings or sauces not only helps the body absorb more of its nutrients but also improves its flavor. 5. Fighters' brains show a surprising cleanup surge before dangerous collapse. Researchers studying pro fighters discovered that repeated head impacts can overload and eventually weaken the brain's waste disposal network. 6. Scientists discover a surprisingly simple new way microbes travel without flagella. 2 new studies uncover unexpected ways that microbes move, offering insights that could impact our understanding of human health and disease. 7. Scientists discover unusual new snake species on remote island. A newly identified snake species from the remote Great Nicobar Islands is offering scientists a fresh look at the region's hidden biodiversity. 8. A 100-year-old problem solved. Scientists discover how to freeze organs without cracking them. The breakthrough approach could lead to successful, long-term organ transplants, bringing science fiction closer to becoming medical reality. 9. Textbooks were wrong. 249-million-year-old fossil discovery upends timeline of evolution. Newly analyzed Arctic fossils show that marine ecosystems recovered astonishingly fast after the Great Dying. 10. Physicists observe a nuclear memory thought impossible. UT researchers have made rare measurements of exotic nuclear decay that reshape how scientists think heavy elements form in extreme cosmic events. 11. Einstein tested again. New gamma-ray study pushes physics to its limits. Physicists have demonstrated with unprecedented accuracy that the speed of light remains constant. 12. In a first for humanity, scientists may have finally seen dark matter. For nearly a century, dark matter has lurked unseen, shaping galaxies while refusing to reveal itself. Now, new gamma-ray data from NASA's Fermi telescope may have caught its elusive signature. 13. AI blood cell analyzer outperforms human experts in detecting leukemia. A new AI system called cytodiffusion could reshape how blood disorders such as leukemia are detected by analyzing blood cell morphology with remarkable sensitivity and awareness of its own uncertainty. 14. Scientists unveil breakthrough low-temperature fuel cell that could revolutionize hydrogen power. Researchers at Kyushu University have created a solid oxide fuel cell, SOFC, exhibiting exceptionally high proton conductivity at 300 degrees Celsius. 15. We have never seen this before. New crystal superconductor is the strangest of its kind. A new study reveals that PTBI2, an otherwise ordinary-looking crystal, hosts an entirely new form of superconductivity confined to its top and bottom surfaces.